Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of ePrime. I am Daedran. Now, the Shaggy Make a Difference Foundation yesterday handed over a check for $100 million to the Bustamante Hospital for Children. The focus of this year's initiative of the event is the hospital's intensive care unit.
First of all, I just want to thank everybody who was involved, and I want to thank the team, and I want to thank all our sponsors, and I want to thank all the artists that came on board and helped us.
While thanking all the stakeholders who helped to achieve the target, Mr. Bombastic expressed dissatisfaction with the high cost associated with staging the event. The expenses incurred amounted to a whopping $50 million.
The good news is that we made the $100 million. The bad news is that our expenses was ridiculous this year. Expenses that were incurred from government agencies. For the land of the Governor General, $200,000. JCAP, $286,650. MPM Waste, $710,350. NWA, $45,000. So, what we're doing is to help the hospital, which is a government hospital. I just think that if we look into that word, the charity, a little bit more, and just kind of help us where that is concerned.
Congratulations to the Shaggy Make a Difference Foundation on a job well done. Dancehall artist Idonia is working on new material with Shaggy and Sting. The Yeah hitmaker was recently photoed in the studio session with the dancehall icon and the British rock star, who were recently in New York working on their new joint album titled 44876. The album is slated for release on April 20, and the fourth Gen boss will be featured on one of the singles on the project. Good luck for Idonia. Dancehall artist Ricky Teets is pleased with the direction of his career, as 2017 yielded a very busy performance schedule for the Montego Bay native.
Last year I did a lot of shows. I did most of the festivals throughout the West, from Mobile Jerk Fest to Mobile Crab Fest to GT Extravaganza. A whole lot of shows I did last year, you know. The song Reeling took off, you know, to a different extent. Every time I perform that song, people just love it.
The Reeling artist not only expanded his catalog, but his reach, and shares details on his latest projects. Take a look.
I was about to step in at 2018 and find a song called Dollar, which, you know, gravitate to the people, them gravitate to the masses. I'm gonna shoot that video for Dollar. I really want to just concentrate on this single Dollar, move to a mixtape, and then move to the EP once the recognition growing. So I have a few music videos coming just to see them. I just dropped a music video called So Special. You can check that out. It's over 100,000 views already going on. Great. You know, that's my first video.
And that's it for the weekend edition of ePrime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching. Have a nice weekend.